Good evening, I'm Ankit Tyagi, and here at the Central Park, all these people are waiting for many questions for the Congress, for the Aam Aadmi Party, and also from the BJP, the main players in politics of Delhi. What will be the future of the Aam Aadmi Party? How will they be taking it forward? All that we will be debating now. And for that, we have our three special guests. We have Mr. Rahul Mehra from the Aam Aadmi Party, Nalin Kohli of the BJP, and also Mr. Alok Sharma of the Delhi Congress. And yes, of course, the audience here, all of them eagerly waiting to ask questions. We begin with the first question to Mr. Mehra of the Aam Aadmi Party. Rahul, now you are set to form the government in Delhi, but there are still questions. The Congress is not very happy. It seems they are still in two minds. Are you sure that you will be taking an oath on 28th, or there are still, some plan B that is in the works in the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters?
First of all, thank you very much for having me over, and a Merry Christmas to each one of you. It's not, Aam Aadmi Party is not about seeking power. Power has never been in the equation for us. For us, it's all about serving the people of Delhi who are craving for someone to serve them and not rule them. So for us, it doesn't matter what Congress is thinking. Okay. What matters is what we are thinking. What is it that we have on the platter to serve the common people of Delhi? Because they have really been waiting for so long. So we will do only one thing. We will go by the promises that we made to the people. Okay. We will walk our talk. We will show within whatever time we have, and I don't know, I'm not a prophet, so I can't profess whether on 28th what is going to happen. But yes, we went to the Honorable Lieutenant Governor and said we have 28 seats. Okay. We never claimed we have a majority. It's for the Congress to decide what they want to do. And we were never in their, they were never in our scheme of things. And we will continue irrespective of whatever happens.
Rahul, let's ask everybody here. कितने लोग हैं जो 28 दिसंबर को जाके अरविंद केजरीवाल को चीफ मिनिस्टर की ओथ लेते हुए देखना चाहेंगे?
Well, that's the answer there. Overwhelming support for Arvind Kejriwal.
Nalin, the question I'd like to ask you as well, how are you looking at this entire situation? Because it's often said that free cheese only hangs in mousetraps. Do you feel, as an outsider, that the Aam Aadmi Party has walked into a mousetrap?
First of all, it's nice because I think whoever will be the Chief Minister of Delhi, and in this case Mr. Kejriwal is going to be sworn in on the 28th, is the Chief Minister of Delhi. He's not the Chief Minister of the Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress or the BJP, but of the city. So I think that's the first part of it. Second is about the mousetrap or about cheese. I think that's really between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress who's supporting them, and now that they have a relationship. How is their relationship going to be? It'll be in front of the people. It'll be between them. The BJP is not part of that equation. We are the opposition party. We will play the role of a constructive opposition.
But there was a bit of political schizophrenia which was attached to your party, because before they didn't form government, you said, why isn't the Aam Aadmi Party forming the government? The minute they decided, you said, why are they forming the government?
I think we should go by facts. It's not about political schizophrenia. What were the facts? We got 32 seats, 3 short of majority. The Congress and the BJP can never be in alliance. It's impossible. Akalpnik, as we say in Hindi. The Aam Aadmi Party is on the record. Mr. Kejriwal went clearly saying neither BJP nor Congress. So we were not in the loop. We accepted that we didn't get a majority in Delhi. We are satisfied that we are the single largest party. We've done very well in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. And we are preparing for the Lok Sabha. So I think it is now a matter between Congress and
exactly. All said and done now. The ball is in the court of the Congress also. My question to Alok Sharma. You have now decided, you said that you will be supporting the Aam Aadmi Party, initially unconditional, then optional, then on issues. But once you have decided that there should be a government in Delhi, then what is the problem? Why 2 voices from your party now?
Ankit, I would like to clarify one thing, that once we had given a support, in our letter of support there was no word unconditional first of all. The main word was outside support. And till date, Congress party officially stand by our words that we are giving them outside
support. Is there a divide?
Support.
Isn't there a divide? Mr. Dwivedi came on record, Mr. Sharma, to say that half of you believe you should not have supported the Aam Aadmi Party in the first place.
You see that Congress is a very large party, and there can be different kind of opinions. There can be different kind of thinking about the future and present. And especially in context
If they decide
of
to
the kind of-
investigate Sheila Dikshit as they've said they are going to, are you going to pull out support? Are you going to still go ahead and support?
No.
Will the conditions kick in at that point of time?
We are going to support Party Kejriwal till they are going to work for the welfare of Delhi and the welfare of Delhi public.
Well, keeping the, Arvind Kejriwal and his party guessing, when will you decide on those conditions? Let me go across to some of our audience who have questions for our guest. What is your question and to whom the question is?
हाय माय नेम इज अंकुर मेरा सिर्फ क्वेश्चन एक है आपसे कि कांग्रेस ने पहले जन लोकपाल बिल पास क्यों नहीं किया, अब आके जन लोकपाल बिल पास क्यों किया, जबकि अगर वो पहले पास कर देते तो वो आज दिल्ली में हारते नहीं और अरविंद केजरीवाल को सरकार नहीं बनानी पड़ती.
Well, in hindsight, a lot of people are saying that Congress now very late tried to get that master stroke of the Lokpal bill. Was it in trying to somehow play down Arvind Kejriwal's attack on you? Why didn't you do it before?
Ankit, I would like to clarify that Jan Lokpal bill or the Lokpal bill which has been passed by the Parliament of India, it was placed 6 times earlier also. But it was a very important bill and a debate, a very healthy
Mr.
debate.
Sharma, history
and
stands
consensus
testimony.
from the
If you
different
have the
parties
will,
was
you
also
will.
very important.
History stands testimony. Political will can do wonders. You just did that by passing the Lokpal bill. If you wanted, you could have done it earlier. I'd like to also ask a question to Rahul Mehra at this point of time. Rahul, you know, you've fallen prey to what other parties also go through. You haven't even formed government, and somewhere down the line there seems to be already mutiny within the ranks. Case an example, Mr. Vinod Binni.
Says who? Says you. The media. It's a media's creation.
Rahul, isn't
Rahul,
that a
that's-
standard answer from any political
now,
party?
see, now
So,
again you're
and
doing
I completely appreciate your cynicism on that, because these are the politicians that you had. But there are politicians now, fortunately, unfortunately, who walk their talk and who do everything in the gaze of the people. You know, we could have sat in our drawing rooms, in our ivory towers, and decided what we wanted to do, and had a unholy alliance with the Congress. What did we do? We had a referendum in front of the people. Anybody could come. The entire Delhi could have come. We couldn't have hijacked it. Now, number 2, you know, it's easy to say that you have an alliance. You started your program by saying we have an alliance with Congress. I'm sorry. That's again a misinterpretation of media. We have no alliance. We have no tie-up. We have no understanding with the Congress party. We can never have it, because this is like North Pole and South Pole. You can never meet.
Okay.
The issue is simple. We have 18 issues. We placed it before both the political parties.
Let's ask the people. आप लोगों को कितने लोगों को लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी सरकार चला सकेगी, या अगले 1-2 महीने में कांग्रेस हाथ हटा लेगी?
How many of you?
You've got your answer there.
It will be a very
many
difficult
people
task.
think
In
you
fact,
can-
baptism by fire, as many call it.
Ankit,
Yeah.
This just goes to show how wise the people of Delhi are. They exactly know what the Congress past is. They know what they're going to do.
Ankit, I
and we have
officially
taken support.
clarified.
Exactly, and somewhere down the line, people also know that
And we
Aam
have-
Aadmi Party is also very wise by
And-
taking this risk,
but we
because
have
they
not
know.
taken their support. They have thrusted their support
Now,
without
let me
even
go
asking
across.
for it.
Let me go across. For
Let's get a
What's the
question. Let's get an audience question.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि कांग्रेस इस वजह से अब सपोर्ट दे रही है क्योंकि उनको पता है कि अब दोबारा इलेक्शन हो गए तो उनको वोट नहीं मिलने, क्योंकि अभी हुए थे.
Mr. Sharma, that is
Mr.
what
Sharma.
the feeling is. The Congress is only trying to play the game because they know they do not stand in the game between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
Not at
right
all.
now, are you buying time?
Not at all. Congress is a historical party. We have seen the defeat of 1977 also.
No.
We have seen
And Ankit,
the victory
Ankit,
of 1984 also.
Nalin wants to come in.
Whatever is demanded from the public, we
Nalin,
accept it.
Rahul, let Nalin come
Rahul,
in.
let Nalin come in.
Just
Yeah, quickly.
surely a historical party which has been consigned to the archives by...
Okay. Let's not get. Okay, Nalin. Let Nalin come in. Go ahead, Nalin.
See, I really don't have a comment on how their relationship will be, but there is a relationship. Because the fact of the matter is that, you know, whatever the Aam Aadmi Party may say, the constitutional position is that the LG would not invite them till there was a letter, otherwise there would be president's rule. As the single largest party,
You were
the
hoping-
BJP...
you were hoping.
No, not at all.
Why didn't
but
BJP form a minority government
I
with
have
32 seats
one
like we
minute.
have done with 28?
I just
Right.
want to
Why?
say...
Rahul, Mr. Kohli, that has been debated a long time now.
Hold on. I just want to say something. Aam Aadmi Party, with respect, I'd like to say, when I'm speaking or when he speaks, I don't interrupt him. Let me finish my point. You
Go
can
ahead,
certainly
Nalin. Yes,
see
yes. Say your piece.
There's
Go
no
ahead.
problem with it. But let's finish our points and then let the people decide what difference it makes. So my point is, they are in a relationship. They can't deny it. In this relationship, Mr. Arun Jaitley used a very interesting phrase. He said this is a strange relationship in which both the parties are trying to outfox each other. नहीं हम नहीं ऐसा करेंगे नहीं ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. They should do their work together.
Okay.
Whatever the promises are, let them do
Right.
it in front
Rahul,
of the people.
I'd want to ask you a question. Do you personally think you'd actually be able to survive with the Congress and with the kind of indications you're getting from the party? What do you think? Honestly, tell us.
It's not about
Tell the people.
I have told you, it's for us, it's not about survival. Till the time we are here, even if we are here for 1 minute, we want to walk our talk in that 1 minute. And coming back to the relationship with the great Mr. Arun Jaitley has talked about, what is the relationship that Mr. Jaitley has with Mr. Shukla and Mr. Pawar in BCCI? Can he explain?
I will answer it. Now I will. No, hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
No, hold on.
Let's
No.
not
One
stray.
second. No. We have to, because this is a personal comment.
Yeah, let's not stray. Rahul, let's stick to the topic. Okay, let's get an audience question. Let's get an audience question.
Preeti, no, Ankit. Preeti, 1 minute. No, Ankit, I need to put it on the record. Hold it. I have made no personal comment. I have spoken about two parties.
Let's not stray.
1 minute. Number
Let's
two.
not stray
Number two,
from
I want
the
to
debate.
say, I just want to put it on the record. The Aam Aadmi Party should be congratulated for having won an election, come into the process, fought their way up. No problem with that.
Right.
But I think there is also, you can't say we are the only good people. Har aadmi kharab, hum hi theek hai. Ye galat hai.
Right.
There are good
Let's
people
get a question,
here, there are
Ankit.
good people there. There are good
the question
Indians,
that I
there
have
are
for
bad
you,
human beings,
Arvind
good
today
human
said
beings. So I
that
want to make this
among
clear.
the top
This
three
kind of
agendas-
arrogance is dangerous.
Among the top three agendas would be Lokpal Bill, the water and the electricity. He himself said that Lokpal would be difficult, it would not be easy. Now, can you list out, have you already thought of the specifics that you would be doing, let's say, in the first 5 days of your governance, so that you at least look as if you are working on those things? What are the specifics that you're talking about, for example, for the Lokpal Bill?
Even before forming the government and being nowhere in the picture, we have walked our talk on 3 grounds. Number 1, no lal battis. Number 2, no plush bungalows. Number 3, no security. So those 3 already are on record. We have walked our talk as far as those 3 are concerned.
Okay, let's get a question.
Coming to the issue of these 3 which you have talked about, believe you me, we have completely understood the gamut of what our confines are. We shall show you within the first 1 week as to what all we will do. Arvind is anxious and is eager to perform, and so
Okay.
is his entire cabinet.
Let's get a question
And
before we
time will
wrap.
alone
Let's
tell
get a
you.
question
Wait
before we
for 1
wrap.
week and you will see what all we are going to do.
All right, let's get a
entire
question.
Delhi would be
15
waiting
years.
for that.
Wait for 1 week.
BJP says that Aam Aadmi Party cannot reduce the electricity prices by 50%. In fact, they themselves said that they'll reduce it by 30%. So आपका 30% की फिगर कहाँ से आई थी?
ठीक है. नहीं, इसमें ऐसा है, 30% हो, 50% हो, आपका सवाल अच्छा है. The point is very clear. We did our calculations.
Okay.
Let them reduce it. Let's see after 2 years, 3 years, what's the impact. Maybe they have a model which is better than ours, and it works. It does
Okay.
not create a problem in the Delhi economic situation. Time can answer that.
All right, closing
So we can
comments.
only know
Closing
about that.
comments. Let's get one more question and then let's give like 30 seconds for closing.
Right. You have a question for the Congress?
ये सर मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे कि कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट ने आपका साथ दिया, वैसे ही कांग्रेस ने बीजेपी का साथ क्यों नहीं दिया?
That is a question that a lot of people have asked. You have always said that we are completely poles apart. Rahul is also saying we are poles apart. But in politics, it seems all poles are somehow getting together to form the government. Why didn't both of you to get together to form the government?
And I
A
gave you
lot of
one
people have that
example. I
question.
gave you a live example also.
Actually-
where they are together.
Let Mr. Sharma come in. Let
Mr.
Mr.
Sharma,
Sharma
yeah.
come.
Actually, ideology of Congress and BJP are altogether different, and we can't support each other. We are just like North and South poles. But as far as Delhi problems are concerned, day-to-day problems of Delhi population is concerned, we have supported the manifesto of Party Kejriwal.
Last comments from all of you. Will start with Rahul. Will Delhi see a stable government? Will Arvind Kejriwal be the chief minister, a different chief minister who walks his talk?
Arvind Kejriwal will be a common man chief minister. He will be a chief minister for the people, by the people, of the people.
Okay.
As far as the government is concerned, As far as the government is concerned, whether it's going to be stable or not, is all in the hands of people who claim that for them, people of Delhi are paramount.
Okay.
Their lie is going to be caught
Okay,
if
let's
they
ask.
pull the rug.
All right.
And what are we going to do? We are only going to implement a manifesto.
Okay.
The manifesto is for the people.
All right,
if
Mr.
you
Sharma.
pull the rug, that
Mr.
means you
Sharma.
are against the people,
All right,
not for the people.
Rahul, we're running out of time. Last comments, Mr. Sharma. It's a direct question that Rahul has put to you. Are you going to let this government survive? Because you said you're supporting a manifesto. They are promising they'll deliver on the manifesto.
If they are going to deliver for the public of Delhi, we will support them for 5 years. But if suppose they are not able to deliver, will they resign?
Does deliverance also mean investigation of your own party members?
Absolutely. Make no doubt.
All
make
right,
no mistake about it.
Nalin, are you...
Out of the 18 points, 16 are of administrative nature. They are
Okay.
only administrative decisions.
Well-
they don't need support of
Well, I can
Congress
understand,
MLAs.
Mr. Sharma, you won't be able to answer whether Sheila Dikshit is under fire. What will the Congress do? But Nalin,
No,
do you think
definitely.
Delhi
I will
Delhi
answer,
will-
Ankit.
Delhi-
Ankit,
yeah,
I
please
will
go ahead.
answer.
Quickly.
If there is any case against Congress MLA, Congress ex-minister also, we are ready to face it.
Okay, Nalin.
Nalin.
Yes, tell me. The
Are you
closing
going to just
comments?
stand by and watch the fun?
No. We have no time to stand by. Given high price rise, given the corruption cases we've seen in the country, given the fact that jobs are not available, Prime Minister
Are
of
you
India.
scared of 2014?
That's all we are working for.
Does the Aam Aadmi Party somewhere down the line make you nervous come 2014?
I think the relationship is between the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. हम तो
Okay.
ना काजी हैं, ना हम पंडित हैं शादी में. Let them निभाने दो उनको.
दिल्ली है.
Well, that is a question that time will answer. But one thing is certain, that all these parties right now, the game might be Delhi, the playground might be Delhi, but all eyes are also on 2014 and how things will pan out for the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress and the BJP. All the chess for that is ready, and they are already playing their moves.
Well, I'd like to end this special broadcast with one question, because there are a lot of people. There were lots of people who showed faith in the Aam Aadmi Party, and I'd like to close it with them. Kitne log jayenge Ramlila Maidan 28th ko? Well, with that, it's a wrap on this special broadcast. We, of course, will see you live from the Ramlila Maidan on the 28th of December. It's good night from Ankit and I. News and updates continue.